How to turn on or turn off weak numbers on Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Outlook, this is the home page. Go to the top, click here. Now click here in the settings option. It will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options as you can see. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find weak numbers right here. Click on it. And here you can turn it on or turn it off as you want. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.